Hey guys, today we'll be talking about the alternatives of the banned Chinese fashion store apps such as Shein, Club Factory or Romwe. I have found many alternatives for the sites, so let's get started and see what are those. So we will start with the SR store. SR store is from Mumbai. It's a startup according to me because I could find it a recent website. There was a few about, and it has almost the varieties that you can find in Shein, but with a bit of higher range. Like if you get a dress in Shein for 400, you will be getting the same dress for 800 or something like that. So go and check that out. Next, coming to the Triple S or the Street Style store. It's a Delhi based company, and you can find a wide range of flats and boots and footwear especially, and they have good range of dresses as well. The only problem with that site is that they have a longer term of shipping period, like they have 15 to 20 days. They take 15 to 20 days to ship or get the things to your doorstep. Now coming to the third, that is Myntra. Everyone must be knowing, it's a famous website for all the girls out here. It has a good range and good variety of brands to choose for, but the only problem I find in Myntra is that if I want to buy something under 500 range and I want to buy only a single thing, then you are unable to do it because the shipping charges is 149 rupees. Now coming to Coops. Coops is one of the Indian brands as well. You can find under budget dresses like for 269 I found some of the t-shirts, and then you can find a huge variety of dresses as well. Now coming to Vunik. Vunik was one of the site I used to visit to window shop, but when I visited recently I could find only men's apparel there over there. So males who are over here can check that site out for time. Now coming to one of the international sites, Zaful. Zaful is one of the site from Singapore, and you can find a huge variety and trendy dresses there, but the price range is bit higher. Like you can get the dresses for 1000, 2000, 3000 and so on. There is nothing less than that. You can find only few dresses for 799. Now coming to another site, LimeRoad. LimeRoad also provides a wide range or variety of Indian wear, Western wear dresses, and I could find a good varieties of kurtis and trendy kurtis, cool kurtis. Next we'll go for Craftsvilla, the only site I could find for only Indian wear or ethnic wear. They provide a huge varieties of saris, kurtis, and then salwar suits, gowns and lehengas. You can find it under your budget as well, and they also provide men's ethnic wear range as well, so go check that out as well. Now coming to Amazon. Everyone must be aware of Amazon because it's a common e-commerce website that we people use. You can find a good variety of brands over there, such as Max, Pantaloons, FBB, Van Heusen, Louis Philippe, and US Polo, etc. Now if you want to go for the sites like FBB, Max, they won't be providing any kind of discount, but in Amazon you can find some amount of discount from their side. Coming to the next site, Flipkart. Flipkart is a parent company of Myntra and Jabong. So you can find whatever you want to find in Myntra or Jabong, you can find the exact same thing in Flipkart as well, and you can compare the price before buying so that you can get a cheaper price to buy. I generally do that, and I find Flipkart to be much cheaper than Myntra and Jabong. And moreover, if you are a student, you will be getting a plus membership for free, so try that out as well. Next is Max Fashions. As I said before, you must have visited to Max Mall as well. So Max Fashion, you can buy online from there as well. They are having some amount of discount right now, like a 3 for 9.99 and stuff. So you can check that out as well. I have got a shrug from there, and I got it for 4.99 with buy one get one thing, and it was really good quality. Whatever you find in mall, you will find the exact same thing in online also. Now coming to the FBB. Every Kittian must be aware of the FBB dresses. Come on. So you can find exactly the same thing in FBB website as well. Now coming To the last but not the least is Tata Click. You must be knowing about the brand Tata. It is known for its quality. So you can go for Tata Click as well. They are providing a huge variety of brands in their site as well, like Pantaloons, Venus and US Polo. I could find all these brands over there, and they are also providing a good budgeted dresses range as well. So you can go and check that out as well. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Hit the like button if you like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll bring the next video very soon. Till then,